Turbans, welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and then share this video. Today I'm here to teach you how I style my beautiful African prince hair turbans. Okay, so let's get right into the video. How I style my African prince style. So the first one is this. This is just one simple style. The next one is scalp at the back like this. Something like ponytail or your mesh or either your natural hair on top like this. Then the next one is still with your hair lifted up like this, doing this way. Shape this look as well. This look. Okay. Yeah. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment in the comment section